Hello everyone, welcome to Chemistry EduHub channel. Today we're going to discuss the concept of oxidation and reduction. So if you consider the ionic bond formation, what is ionic bond formation? It is the transfer of electrons from one atom to the other atom. Suppose if there's an X atom gives electrons to the Y atom. So X becomes X plus and Y becomes Y minus. So this is the complete transfer of electrons from one atom to the other. This way an ionic bond is formed. So in this ionic bond formation, we understand the concept of oxidation and reduction. What is oxidation? It is the loss of electrons. The loss of electrons by an atom of an element. Loss of electrons by an atom of an element is called oxidation. What is reduction? Reduction is the gain of electrons. The gain of electrons by an atom of an element is called reduction. So, this oxidation and reduction will happen simultaneously. Suppose if you take sodium loses electrons and becomes a positively charged particle. Similarly, chlorine gains an electron and becomes Cl minus. So, these ions Na plus and Cl minus cannot stay stable in the form of ions. They have to combine with each other. So, sodium is losing electron to becoming Na plus. Cl is gaining electron to become Cl minus. And now these two combine to give NaCl. This way, an ionic bond is formed by oxidation and reduction together. So such reactions are called redox reactions. What is redox? Red is reduction, ox is oxidation. So the reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place. Such reactions are called redox reactions. So the example could be zinc reaction with copper sulfate to give zinc sulfate and copper. So here zinc is in the 0 oxidation state, copper is in +2 oxidation state. Now after the reaction, zinc is becoming +2 and copper is becoming 0. So zinc from 0 it is turning to zinc 2 plus. So increase in the oxidation state is called oxidation process, and copper is becoming +2 to 0. So decrease in the oxidation state results in the reduction process. So how am I able to tell zinc is 0, copper is +2, zinc is +2, copper is 0? Let us try to understand how to calculate the oxidation number. Oxidation number is the total charge present on an atom in a given molecule. So when you consider a molecule, in that for a given atom, whatever is the residual charge or the total charge, that is considered to be the oxidation number. Oxidation state of an element can be positive, negative, 0 and fraction also. To calculate oxidation number, we need to know certain fixed oxidation numbers of few elements. So oxidation number of any element in its free state is always said to be 0. For example, if you take oxidation number of hydrogen, helium in any uncombined state like H2, He, N2, O2, etc. In all these cases, you see the oxidation number is always 0. Alkali metals will always have the oxidation number +1. Alkaline earth metals will always have the oxidation number +2. Fluorine is the most electronegative element. It will always show -1 oxidation state. Hydrogen, it will show two types of oxidation states, +1 with the non-metals, because non-metals are more electronegative than hydrogen. And with metals, what metals? 1A and 2A group metals, that is alkali and alkaline earth metals, hydrogen will show -1 oxidation state. Similarly, if you talk about oxygen, its common oxidation state is -2 in all oxides. But it can also show -1 in the peroxides like H2O2, and it shows -1/2 with the superoxides like NaO2. Apart from these, in all these cases it shows -2 oxidation state. Oxygen will form positive oxidation state only in the combination of fluorine. In O2F2 it shows +1, in OF2 it shows +2. Overall, oxidation state is nothing but the tendency to lose or gain electrons. Suppose if the two atoms are there, one is less electronegative, the other is more electronegative. Definitely more electronegative atom will get the negative oxidation state, less electronegative atom will get the positive oxidation state. Let us see the calculation of oxidation number. So to calculate the oxidation number of any unknown element, you need to first know the earlier rules. Only then we can calculate the unknown oxidation state. So suppose you have H2SO4 and you have to find out the oxidation number of sulfur. So the first rule is you have to take the sum of oxidation numbers of all the known elements in the given molecule and equate it to 0. So sulfur we don't know and it is present only once, so you take it X plus. 2 hydrogens are there, each hydrogen will show +1, so 2 into +1 plus X sulfur plus 4 oxygens, each oxygen is -2 equal to 0. Since there is no charge on the compound, you take it equal to 0. So what will be X now? X plus 2 minus 6 equal to -8 equal to 0, and X will be +6. Now what is the other rule? The oxidation number of an element should not exceed its group number. Should not exceed its group number. So sulfur belongs to 6th group. So its maximum oxidation state is +6. It cannot have +7 or +8 like that. So the maximum oxidation number of an element should not exceed its group number.